What's going on, the truckers? You guys need to make sure you subscribe to OTR Monk. He makes dash cam videos in trucking, and this situation right here was crazy, amazing, and beautiful, and just shows how great truck drivers are. Basically, he sees a police chase between a police officer and a intoxicated truck driver, and as he's driving, he sees that this truck driver is not stopping. So what does he do? He blocks the way on the side, for one, to keep the cop safe, for two, to block that truck driver in. And then after he sees that everything is good to go, he goes on his way. But OTR Monk, you took it in your own hands. Mother truckers, comment down below, what would you have done? Because I know a lot of people would have tried to mind their own business and just kept on going, but instead he kept people on the road safe. That's right, all you four-wheelers that cut us off, he was keeping you safe from an intoxicated truck driver. OTR Monk, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Mother truckers, make sure you follow this man. That was a beautiful thing what you did. And to me, I'm telling you, you saved a lot of lives that day.